good morning. I, Mainak Chandra, a student of class 9, am going to speak on the topic if I could design a school. Schools, since the earliest days in the development of education, had been an important part of it. It slowly came to be believed that only a school can create the ambience required for imparting knowledge to the students, and that the habit to be in such an environment be developed when a person goes through his or her childhood. But in a long path to achieve modernization in education, many of the ideas that were to constitute the basic framework of the education system got lost. If I could someday get an opportunity to design a school, I will try to revive these ideals once again on the path shown by the various philosophers who took birth in our country and thought to reform the education system as the building block of a person's life. To start with, the education system of the school will be based on the learning from nature on a path led by Rabindranath Tagore. It will be quite impossible to transform the school into an orchard just as Tagore had thought to. But the school can provide the students with a large space where they can come in contact with the nature and learn from it by observing the various trees and birds. The large space of the school will also be advantageous for the students to play during the break times. This will help them feel mentally relaxed and physically fit. The creativity of the students will be encouraged by the schools and the memorization techniques will be discouraged. The evaluation process will be based on the various activities which they will perform themselves after developing their conceptual understanding. The homeworks and the heavy textbooks will be lifted up as the various learning materials and the practice will be available through digitization techniques that will no longer be a mechanical process. The teachers will be very considerate and will try to judge the mind of each child separately. The syllabus will be carefully designed, keeping in mind that it does not overload, nor does it make the students deficient of knowledge. The discipline will be strictly maintained and indiscipline will be punished. But it will be taken care of that it does not hamper their physical or mental well-being. I hope such a design of the school be implemented one day for the good of all students. Thank you.